Part of the city that it deserves, but it's not that far. And then we take the bus to go to reach that. From there, it's 2 more.
Going down.
Oh, right.
Very stiff.
That's why I take a picture, so I can prove it's not my bad.
So that's your.
No, look.
I know. I love you. Thank you. Oh, lordy.
It's a pity that's cool because it's nice to spend us half hour relaxing. But if it's so cool, you don't relax.
Lunch, I had a double espresso. I'm ready.
I had my
Great
beer.
stuff.
ready to take a nap.
And we're going there.
Oh,
The guy who took the picture before, they took 30.
I know it.
And they're all the same.
Yeah.
I mean,
All right, he held it down to the.
3-0.
Oh my God, that's happened to me when I ask somebody to take one. Yeah. You go,
The tunnel.
Pardon me? Oh,
Very stiff hill, guys.
I made this sandwich. Yeah.
Oh, I see the light.
Here is 6:30.
In the lobby?
No. No, it's in the center of Lugano. That's why we meet. I told you, I think 5:45. Let me check.
Yes, you said that.
5:45.
5:35.
So 5:45. 15 to 6. 15 to 6. Quarter to 6. And so we meet at the lobby. We go down. We take the bus to go to the center. We have a short walk because I was not able to show you the center of Lugano yet. And we reach the restaurant. Yeah.
Now, we're one more night here.
No, now treasure hunt. Finally.
I know, we're back.
We go together.
Pardon me?
We're gonna meet the other train, probably. Yep, it's coming up. See,
Yeah, you know what happened? I don't know why. I told you that I had to change my room. And they told me, at the beginning they told me, they were saying, okay, I have this room, and I saw they wrote 308.
that's what we wrote.
And then they got your room.
We're gonna stop.
But I did not have the room, the room in this. So I was thinking, if I were housekeeping, and the housekeeping told him, no, it's not free. Just imagine if I came to your room with my luggage. They found another room, and then I'm on the 3rd floor as well.
Down we go.
In Italy we say,
See the
si
wheels.
perdono in un bicchiere d'acqua, they get lost in a glass of water. And then you say something similar. Yeah, I mean, for stupid things they... have 2 more days to borrow the beer. He told me, I told him, yes, of